the employees found out we were getting this new mill turn machine with the robot, they were so excited.
It was interesting unloading it because it was a big pallet, but then when we got it in here and we got it all lined up, just watching it go, it's like a breath of fresh air. It's like, that's so cool.
And I think it really kind of intrigues our employees and our customers.
The joys of a mill turn machine is it does both. It mills and it turns. So instead of a part having to go on a standard lathe and then on a standard mill, it gets to go in the machine, one and done. It does everything we need to.
Also, with fewer setups, you lose less downtime due to the need to do those setups, so you increase throughput and you reduce delivery time. And the robotic handling also helps with throughput because with that you gain the possibility of doing unattended or even better, lights out manufacturing.
If you're not doing that type of automation in our industry, then you're pretty much going to get left behind in the very near future. So we wanted to be ahead of the game and invest in it early.
You don't have to worry about lunches or breaks. The robot just keeps on chugging along, whether it is 10 p.m. on a Friday or 3 a.m. on a Saturday, or if your guys are busy on the shop floor.
The new machine and the robot is more involved the first time you set it up because you're working with the tool knows the collision avoidance software and the tool breakage detection. But once you work all that out, the next time you have to set it up is as simple as changing the jaws and uploading the program.
It's a much more rigid machine, has much more horsepower. We have the high pressure coolant, which saves tool life and evacuates chips.
You have tighter tolerance pieces that putting them into a mill turn machine just makes them simple to do. It's usually complicated stuff that has turning and milling operations. So it's going to save us a lot of time on not having to fixture it up.
Many of our parts, like I'm showing right here, have some milling and some turning. And to really do one and done operations on this type of part, you have to have this type of machine.
You're removing a lot of operations, and that removes also a lot of hands-on human errors. So when you cut back on those human errors, you're improving your consistency overall. So both of those things hand in hand are going to improve quality, not just for our own operational efficiency, but quality for our customers.
We pride ourselves in working together with our different operating companies and collaborating. And now what this does is it opens doors for our other operating companies located throughout the U.S. that might have requirements with customers that are specific to a mill turn, lights out, a robotic environment.
Our fundamental purpose is to be the best possible vendor to all our customers we have. And with new stuff like this, we improve our quality, we improve our throughput, we shrink our lead times. And I look forward to Compass continuing to make these kind of investments in all of our shops to get better and better.